Good morning to all. Girls, today we are going to start heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current means it is the Joule's law. Joule's law and heating effect of electric current is the same. So it is stated that whenever the current I apply to the conductor of resistance R in time t, the heat is produced in the conductor. That is, H is directly proportional to I square RT, where H is the heat, I current, R is the resistance, T is time. If we define it, we will get Joule's law. A current I flow through the conductor having resistance R and voltage V. Means we know that the Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I and V is equal to IR. This is the Ohm's law. Then next step, the electric charge is flow from one point to another point, means it is the voltage. So when the charge is flow, means in time t, so charge is equal to IT. I means current t in time. And when charge is carried one place to another place, means there is the work done. And work done is equal to W is equal to V into Q. So V means IR and Q means IT. So put this value in this equation, we will get W is equal to IR into IT and it's I square RT. The unit of heat and work is Joule and relation between Joule and calorie is 4.18 Joule is equal to 1 calorie. So that equation we can write is H is directly proportional to I square RT and H is constant. Constant means 1 upon 4.18 is I square RT and this is the Joule's law. So with the help of this Joule's law is many appliances which is working on this the principle, like that immersion heater, geyser, electric press, oven, heater, hot plates, electric bulb, electric cooking range, coffee maker and so on. So much the appliances which is working on this the principle. Now next point is thermostat. Thermostat is a device which is control the temperature and prevent overheating of the appliances. It is prevent overheating and temperature to avoid the damage of heating elements and appliances because it is maintain the range of the temperature automatically. So this the thermostat is used like that the refrigerator, press, electric cooking range, and toaster, oven is like that. So thermostat having the two types. It is the bimetallic thermostat and hydraulic thermostat. Bimetallic thermostat means there is using the two types of the strip. In hydraulic thermostat means there is use the hydro means water, but we have the bimetallic strip. So this is the diagram of the bimetallic strip. It's having the two types of the strips, means there is the use two types of the metals having different coefficient, and when it is the fixed in appliances and on it, so gradually temperature is the increasing, and if temperature is the increasing means that metallic strip also going to heat, and whenever that heat up that the strip it is getting the bend of other end, and if it bend it's giving the curve shape, and that that shape is touched to the contact point of the thermostat. As soon as the contact point means the strip is pushed, the contact point, the switch is off and disconnect the supply. Afterward, after disconnect that, it is going to cool the strip, means temperature going to decrease, and cool the strip means it's getting the original shape. And again, the contact supply is the start and appliances is the start. So this, the on and off of these appliances is going on automatically and maintain the temperature. So such type of the thermostat is used in electric press, toaster and geyser. Now we will see the another appliances which is working on like that, the immersion heater. Immersion heater, it is working on the Joule's law, means heating effect of electric current. It is we are using for the heating the water, bathing are there. So it's there is the coil. That coil is heat, generate the heat in the water, and there is means some of precautions must be taken while you are using the heater. To care to use only iron bucket, means for water, put the wood plate under the bucket, do not touch the water and heating bucket when electric supply is on. Insert the heater inside the bucket where water is placed. So this is the heating effect. Then geyser is there. Geyser is also is using. This geyser is used. It is the safety than the heater, and it is working also the same principle, heating effect of electric current, means Joule's law. So that geyser are used in different places like that, the hotel, hostels, big families is like that, and it's the heating elements are also the in different watts for requirements of the water. So this is the diagrams of the geyser, and this type of the heating elements we are getting the different types. In geyser also there is use the thermostat. Then electric, we will see the next point,